Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 5 and let me share with you how to enable the demo mode on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down to the additional settings. Here we have to scroll down again to find the developer options, and if you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, it's quite normal because developer options are the advanced mode. So first of all you have to activate that. So first of all we have to go to About Tablet and keep tapping on the MIUI version. After you will see the information, just go back to the additional settings and find the developer options. So simply enter them, and here we have to scroll down until we will find the demo mode option. So all we can do in this device is to just tap on the switcher, and here your device will inform you that the clock will stop, the battery and signal, and actually all icons will be displayed as full even if they are not, and you can turn off the demo mode just by using the switcher or reboot the device. So simply tap on turn on, and let's take a look at the status bar. As you can see, the hour has been stopped. What's more, we've got all of the icons in their full state, and we know it is not true because I believe I had like 64% of the battery. Of course, you can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher, and as you can see, they will simply get back to its normal state. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the demo mode in your Xiaomi Pad 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.